What is going on, guys? I am here today inside of the cabin where we are doing a bunch of work. We're replacing the whole kitchen. We kind of gutted everything and we're restarting. But what we're trying to do here is we're gonna save this original fireplace. But what I'm doing is we're gonna restone all the part that it sits on and the whole front. So as you can see, I already got that side off there primarily. Got the little front piece off. So today I'm gonna show you guys what's the best way to kind of get this off, and then just kind of gonna transform this, and then we're gonna be able to put some new stone on. Before we get started here, I want to protect the brand new flooring so we don't scratch it up or get any chips in it. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sweep it out really well, just so we don't get anything underneath this layer of cardboard I'm gonna lay out, so it doesn't get pushed down into the floor. And then I'm just gonna put some cardboard right here so I can kneel on it, and then any of the bricks will hopefully just land right here and not go anywhere else. All right, so the tools we're gonna need today: safety goggles most importantly, hammer, flathead screwdriver, flat kind of pry bar, maybe this little chisel. And I'm first just gonna start off, I'm gonna figure out, I already can see that this part's probably gonna be the easiest to get in there, right? So I'm just gonna take my hammer, look at that. I get a little pry action. Okay, we're not trying to damage the wood underneath. Easy as that, pull off my first stone. There's the next one. Gotta be careful with this stuff because usually it's stapled on and you don't want to get cut by any rusty staples. Just pull that off though. I'm actually gonna be leaving this top part on just in case we can stone over this. So I'm just gonna be doing the brick and then the siding here. So to start taking off the brick, I'm gonna start here on the corner. So I'm just gonna add some more cardboard to protect the floor. I sweep underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the screwdriver here and to get it under there and just kind of start prying these off one by one. So then we can work on the other side. And some of them are harder than others. So like this one, I'm gonna have to use the hammer out. And it's off. Beautiful. All right, now we can do this side. Okay, so for this side, now that we have that corner off, I'm again just gonna I'll probably use the flat bar, pry bar here. Get it right there on the corner. And then just trying to get behind the brick here. So maybe the screwdriver will work better. There we go. Look at that. Alright, so I'm about halfway done here, and as you can see, it's not that quick of a process. And you want to take it slow, especially when I'm trying to just save the wood behind it. So you guys can see here that this is some concrete board behind the brick, and there's some screws. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, so I'll be able to pry this whole piece off a little easier. Sometimes they're kind of hard to find, especially if you have some brick over it. But now we have that, those screws taken out, we can use our flat pry bar and try to get it underneath a little bit, right? And then we can break this concrete board right off. There we go. 1, 2, 3. That's what's so nice about these pry bars. They go right behind what you want. And then pull up. It's kind of loud, but you're good. So now I'm going to try to get behind this brick using the pry bar. hearth to go along with this wood. And then we're gonna do stack stone here, stack stone behind the fireplace. And we wanna replace this up here. So the big question is if this fireplace is sitting on this black stone or if they built the black stone around it. And it looks like it's sitting on top of it. So I'm not gonna go ahead and take this black stuff off just in case we can put the stone over this, which will save us a lot of time. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean all this up. Found is there's a surge protector in the back there, and it's actually built into the wall, so I can't even take it off. And also we got like this weird old cable. I don't know where this cable goes, and I don't know why it's under a fireplace. Yeah, we have different types of coaxial cable here coming out of the wall. Interesting. Okay, I've just been pulling this out. Hey, look at that. Goes to nothing. What about this one? Oh, that one's tight. Huh. Very odd. Well, we have one left. We'll throw it behind the wood pack. All right, now I have all the stuff off of it. I'm just taking a wet rag, old rag. I'm just wiping all this dirt off. Even here, I'm gonna wipe all of it off. Just down to here. Maybe that's a bad idea. Let's try that again. Use this. Put it up against here like that. Ah, much better. Much better. Put this outside into the trash can. There we go. Open this. Clean that off. Wow. That is just disgusting. Oof. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's why right here and a bunch of other places why we're replacing all of this stone, and it just doesn't look that good. Alright. So now we have a better idea of what it looks like with everything off. So as I said again, we're gonna do new stone down there, new stone up here, maybe on top of the existing, since the fireplace looks like it sits right on top of this, and then new siding, matching the front here, and then the same stuff we're doing on the side, we're gonna do up the back of the wall. So thank you guys for watching today. I'll be sure to post another video once we have it all stoned up, so you guys can see what that looks like. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.